Sell, stop, cross the board, all indices. You already have the blue one to the blue line already. I have a few trades open currently, but shit, I forgot I left my volume. There. Sell stop US 30, sell stop SPX, sell stop NAS 100. You already have NAS 100 hitting its 1 minute blue line. Called out early. Going live on TikTok now. Good evening to everybody. Hope you all had and are having a blessed weekend. I do believe we have our final update to the code, to the scanner code to talk about this evening. We have a few things to go over and make some more call outs, and then we'll all be done. Make sure you're ready for your US 30 sell stop, SPX sell stop, NAS 100 sell stop. Ready to go. I have no idea why is my TikTok not live? Yeah, I think it is. Why am I not picking up on it? What on earth? Oh, let me go walk out of here. Going live again. Evening, everybody. Hope you all having a blessed weekend. Making some great memories. Having fun while you do it. Wow, TikTok's just a glorious thing, isn't it? Okay. We're live on TikTok. Peter P. Hi, Kev. How's horseback riding? We actually tried to go. Funny story ever. Me and Bree went over there to go horseback riding, like we always do. We've never not done it. They had us down for a different time than we thought it was. We got there at 12, wasn't to 1, so instead of sticking around waiting, we decided to go run around. Well, we went and got some gas in the car, and then Bree does some scratch offs, just a little bit of scratch offs, and she wins $500, $590 to be exact. But $500 at one time, it was so freaking funny. I laughed so hard. And we the last time, anyway, that was just funny. And then we went over into this one area to go shopping, and then we just happened to be there. And my oldest daughter happened to be going to visit there also without knowing. So it was actually a much better time than horseback riding. We saw my daughter, we went shopping, we went out to eat. She won $500. It was just a blast. It was so much fun. I was so grateful, so thankful to God on that one. It was just an unbelievably great time. So yes, thank you for asking, though, Peter. Appreciate that. Peter P. We'll be going again this Thursday, I think, to try the horseback riding again. Actually, um, what's up, Candle Envy? Good evening, Kim. Good evening, Shannon. Good evening, Billy. Health Family Well says, "Hey, thanks for the great calls. You're welcome. We'll go over those too. What's up, Jose? What's up, Kimberly Harrington? Good evening. The movie, yeah, the new Spider-Man movie. Oh boy, Enter the Universe or some whatever multiverse shit. I have no idea. And I love Spider-Man. First of all, I love Spider-Man back when they were making TV shows that looked like me climbing up the side of a wall. But it was, yeah, I've heard nothing but great, fantastic, great things about the Spider-Man movie, and I just didn't feel it. Me and Bree both were not thrilled with the movie. I was shocked at how much I liked the first one good enough. I love the Tobey Maguire Spider-Mans, but this movie just I am one of the outliers, I guess. I didn't like it. What's up, Larry Cooper? Yeah, the horseback riding is a blast. Love horseback riding. Love. Love horse. We've been doing once a month for the last 2 years now or so. Even in Florida, we do it. When we're in Vegas, we did it. Thank you for asking. What's up, James Ling? Thanks again for coming on, James. And Bree loves horses. We're gonna get some horses. We have property in Florida, Alabama, Georgia, and Ohio, and then in Alabama we have 10 acres. So I'm gonna get some horses there. What's up, Sam? I am. What's up, Rita? Jacob. All right. So currently I'm in some buy stops, but I'm calling out sell stops to 1 minute blue line. You already have I'm sorry, NAS100 hit its blue line, and they all dipped down. So whether you went to the blue line or not at this point, they did what they needed to do. Don't forget for 1 split second that there's also 5 minute, 15 minute. Since they don't have a lot of people on TikTok right now, I'm going to pull this away, and I'm just going to ditch it for a minute, and we'll get back to that later. All right, now. Let's see. We have to go over a few things. We have our teachers of the day lined up. We have Moto uh, John on Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then Shannon. Miss Shannon is here this evening tonight. It'll be Wednesday at 9 a.m. And by teacher of the day, all that means is in order for you to master the system, to get really, really good with it, you need to buy it, learn it by unlearning what you think you know and relearning. And then when you teach it, you master it. So by Shannon coming on here live and teaching you guys all about it, whether it's a sell stop, a buy stop, or whatever trades we'll be looking at, gold and oil and all those, she'll call them out for you. And when she has hundreds of people listening, literally, well, let me rephrase that. 500 on the one, we usually have about 500. There's about 1,000 people that will see this broadcast, and probably double that. People are scamming. So yeah, you'll have about 1,000 people listening. And Shannon will be like, "Oh, geez," but she's very good. She knows how to make her good trade calls already. But just by doing this, it's going to help her, and of course, it'll help you guys. You'll see other people be able to see the same things I do and make similar how we do it. My sister, I just love her. All right, yeah, you, Jonathan Sanchez, James. There you go, James. What's up, NS? All right. So with that in mind, that's a couple things. We have to go over the Sunday trade. Learn from the pick. Thank Jacob. Oh yeah, thank you, Jacob, for the neon signs that we got. They're absolutely cool. I'll get those up this week sometime where you guys can at least see them. They're so freaking cool. I see them on TikTok. You'll be able to see them too. They're so freaking cool. And teacher of the week. Yep, we got that. All right, I think we're good. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and make out some calls. I already called out these ones for you. So you're looking at US 30 NAS SPX 1 minute sell stops. 5 minutes soon to be. They're going to come down and touch this. Let me get rid of this one right here. They're going to come down, touch this line on the 15 minute, most likely 30, probably, but it's probably going to be a 15 minute buy stop first. Then it will form a 30 minute buy stop later in the week. And then it will form a 1 hour buy stop. And if it flips and goes down to the sell stop, we'll know. No big deal. We already have one out of the three sell stops to the blue line. NAS100 hit its blue line on the 1 minute. It is so cool what's coming. The 2 out of the 3 scanner. You wait and see when that one comes around, guys. Oh, speaking of the scanner, let me pull that in for you guys. My understanding is the scanner has now been updated fully. I believe we have all code according to Keith. Thanks to Keith Palmer. Oh my God, just thank him so much. And he has all the codes, whether it's buys or sells, now reading. And please remember a whole bunch of things when it comes to the scanners. The times, you have to trade at your own risk. Verify the timestamps. All times are MetaTrader 4 systems. So don't ask us what time period this is. It could be your time. It might not be your time. It all depends. These are just what's local on our virtual private look. ERUAD new. Sell stop. Boom, baby. I mean, the scanners are just, they were great. We just finished updating them. And I know, look at that. There it is. And then we might have to do away with all alerts to emails. We're trying to keep it for the hourly, 4-hour, and daily, but we might have to do it with all alerts. In other words, you might have to be in front of your phone slash on your any desk to see the trades as they occur. They'll still be announced. Sell stops 1 minute, 1 minute on all three indices. Please be ready for that. Okay. Let me make sure we're setting up our own right here because I already have my own. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now USO. Let's see these ones, but I mean it's going to pick up every possible little trade. I am so excited for the scanner. You guys just don't know. If you like trading, and you look, UK 100, I'm telling you, you wait and see now. The scanners were picking up half when we were first launched last week, when we went launched early for you guys. It was only picking up half the trades. Now it's going to pick up all the trades. Look at it. There it is. UK new. Boom, baby. Oh, I forgot you guys can see more, right? Hold on. TikTok. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You have to turn your phones, but you can't watch this shit. Boom, watch this. We can make it a little larger. You wait. Oh my gosh. It's so cool. Wish you guys could go over to YouTube, but whatever. Look at it. Look at this scanner. Call it the UK. Buy stop. Boom. Boom. There it is. Just amazing. Anyway, let me check crypto real quick. It trades over 200 different symbols, stocks, over 55 of them, cryptos, Forex, indices. Look at it all. Look at what it's all of them. EOS, BIT, I don't know how that is. IOTA, NEO. Look at it called boom, buy on XMR. I don't even know what that is. Look at them all. Please. Look at this shit. Just amazing. So anyway, I'm going to make a whole bunch of call outs. If I, oh, that's still up. The UK did it do it again. Must have did it again. There it is. That is so fucking cool. Never seen a scanner like it, nor will you in the history of what you're doing. I promise you that. I'll leave this up there for us for later. Go over to Forex. See if we can. Oh, Euro New Zealand. Let's check that out real quick. Euro New Zealand. We scoosh on down and see. Odds, sell stop. There we go. EUR NZD, Euro New Zealand, sell stop 5. Sell stop option 5th. Boom, pop it open. Red, red. Yep, that is correct. That is the correct read. If it was a new, like SF1 or something, I'd actually look at it in detail. But there you go. That's how you see it. Now, if you happen to don't have your about the scan, I just read your comment. Dropping before our eyes, and yes, and cool. Oh, geez, about Wednesday, but also excited. Oh, look, you're in the money. Holy shit. Fuck. All right, I just called these trades out for you current. And I also sent out an email to all the alert people. US 30, sell stop 1 minute. If you'd have got into when I told you she was back there, you'd be up 54 pips. If you'd have got in right here, you'd be up another 15, 20 pips on US 30. NAS is also in the money, and SPX is also in the money. Look at how gorgeous these trades are. We do have one slight problem with these trades. And this is what I want to get into too, by the way. If you can't see your weekly and monthly blue lines, that only means that you don't have enough trading memory. It has nothing to do with the system. We have one person that sent over an email, and I'm going to remain nameless at this point, even though she is 100% completely wrong and thinking there's something wrong with the system. It has nothing to do with it. You can clearly see that my blue line is right here. If you don't have your blue lines on your monthly, weekly, or dailies, it's because you don't have enough trading history in your own pure personal computer. It has nothing to do with the system. So I can't help it if you haven't been trading long. That's your own fault, not mine. Clear? So I was laughing so hard at this person. They're like all upset and angry. Get out of here. You're just not even thinking clearly at this point. People just are whining about anything, I guess. All right. So you made your money on US 30. Now I'm going to make out about 14 different call outs right now in a row. Does anybody have any questions before I do that? Gold 1 minute sell stop. Come on. Not to the blue line. I don't like that. Gold 1 minute sell stop. Gold is going to come up a little first, though. Yeah. I can see gold pulling back to its 15-minute, 30-minute, forming a 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop. So you do with that what you want. And then that's what it's going to do. 4 hour sell, 4 hour sell to the blue line, right? Yeah. So gold still has a little bit longer to go to its 4 hour blue line as a sell. Gold is a daily buy stop. You shouldn't be in any buy. You need to put it above that push up here, but I'm not going to do too much because Chloe yells at me. 4 hour buy stop, a daily buy stop on Amazon. I know Amazon did perfect for us on Friday. 1 minute sell, but let's see what she's heading to. Yep. 1 minute sell, Amazon upon open. I'm sure they're going to jerk that down. And then it's going to turn into what's the last time I did it? 30 minute? 1 hour. And yeah, I already did the 1 hour. So 1 minute sell stop, Amazon. 1 hour buy stop, but it might hit into a 30-minute buy stop instead. All depends. And that's all I can do on Amazon. US oil. 1 minute sell to the blue line. US oil. Going to form a 15-minute buy stop to the blue line, 1 hour, 30-minute blue line. 4 hour sell stop oil down to the daily blue line, down to the weekly blue line. Weekly, monthly buy stop oil, US. EUR GBB, EUR GBB, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. 5 minute, but it's going to turn into a 15-minute buy stop, EUR GBB. Then it's going to turn into a 1 hour, it already is, 1 hour sell stop. And then it's going to turn into a weekly buy stop. And that's it. EUR GBB. GBB, JPY is going to finish going to the monthly. I know that. Was a 1 minute sell stop for the blue line. I would do a 1 minute sell stop, 15-minute buy stop, and it's just going to the monthly blue line, GBB, JPY. USD chef, CHF is the opposite of ERUSD, so whatever I call will be the opposite. ERUSD is a 1 minute. I like it. It's a 1 minute sell, but let me see something. There's got to be a buy over here, probably on the amount. 4 hour sell too. Damn. Daily buy. Oh, okay. 1 minute sell, daily buy, weekly sell to the monthly blue line. EURUSD. XRP, we've been kicking ass with that one. XRP, 1 minute, it's going to come up, arch up over to here, then it's going to hook back down and go to the blue line. So it's a wait, but it's going to turn into a 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, XRP. Then it's going to turn into a 30-minute buy stop, XRP. And then it's going to turn into, it's already done the daily blue line. Look at us go. 53 cents. Been recommending since 31 cents. XRP is a weekly sell, monthly buy. Ethereum, 1 minute sell stop. It's going to arch back to the first time do it. But 1 minute sell stop, 1 hour buy stop, weekly sell, monthly buy. Ethereum. Bitcoin, 1 minute sell. I think it's going to arch back up though again, touch the 5 minutes, then hook back down. But whatever you want to do. Bitcoin, 1 minute sell, 30-minute buy, daily buy, weekly sell, daily buy, weekly sell, monthly buy. Bitcoin, GBP, USD, 1 minute. Where are we going to here? I'm going to go with the 1 minute buy. Then it's going to turn into a 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop. And then it's going to turn into a daily buy, GBP USD, weekly sell to the monthly blue line on ERU USD. SPX, also known as SPY, SPX 500. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Remember, or we already have NAS hitting its 1 minute blue line. 5 minute, it's going to turn into, I already wrote these down by the 5 minute, 15-minute. 5 minute, 15 minutes. So it's going to turn in about a 15-minute, probably first, 30-minute buy stop. And that's it. I don't care about the rest. NAS100, 1 minute sell stop, already hit its blue line. It's actually completed that. And then it's going to turn into a 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop, NAS100. US 30, 1 minute, sell stop to the blue line. That's gonna turn into a 15-minute buy stop and most likely 15, possibly 30. Again, I wrote all these down over here. These are these, and they're right up here now since I have some more room since I turned this side. And that's what that's. You also have a 4-hour sell stop and a daily buy stop on USD, US 30. And that's it. Easy peasy. You're in the money on your US 30 sell. You're in the money on your NAS. You're in the money on your SPX from just what I told you guys. All right, what's up, Yay? If system, I should be able to use it immediately. How long will it take? Average person, Yay, is 2 to 3 months to get comfortable with the system. It depends on you as an individual user. We have some outliers like Tommy and Goroff. They were making trades within 15, 20 minutes. Tommy made a $10,000 trade like within 30 minutes of learning the system. Profitable trade, I should say. Watch out for these paper traders, y'all. Talk slick. These paper traders. Talk slick. Oh, God. Really? You have to get over there and do this. Really? Oh, how do I get to go to this one? Watch out for these. Oh, Lord, help us. Uh, there you go. That takes care of him. Oh, man. How do these people just come in here talking stuff that they don't even know anything about? That's so funny. Hey, Kimberly. Hey, Effie. Yeah, aren't you a moderator? I already took him out, Effie. Please just destroy him. We don't have anything in here. Oh, you're buying tomorrow. Congratulations, Jay. I know you've been stalking a little bit. I'm glad you're doing that. Do I think, Naz? How's the week? It's been great. Brian, how's yours been, sir? What's up, Patrick? I think Naz will hit the 5-minute blue line. Good evening, Jay. I saw you made some money earlier. Good job, Jay. Thank you, Effie. Yeah, we don't need any of that. One comment from somebody negative, take them out. I'm not dealing with them anymore. We don't need to. They're just done. Oh, let's see. All right, I'll look at that for you. Before you, before we think about any kind of 5 minutes, you have to let the you have to make sure that the 1 minutes are taken care of on the other three before you look for a 5 minute. Kim. Good evening, boss. Good evening, Jay. Did someone actually say that on TikTok? Yes, they did. Have to help family wealth. Evan Holiday, are the blue line scanners up? They are. That's what you're looking up, Affy. Look at the money you're making. You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on SPX. You're in the money on US 30. Yep, yep, yep. Oops. Nice. Look at that. That is a thing. Why can I not move this? Okay. Oh, evidently I'm not able to move that. That's weird. Well, anyway, in the money on your NAS. Let me take a look on your NAS. Though she was wondering about the 5 minute. Will it go down and hit its blue line? Well, let me get the level here. What do we do? I can do live. Let's take a look. See, so we're going to do NAS 15-minute, NAS 30. Oh, NAS 30 is already on it. This is your hope, Kimberly. Let's see. Go down here. Ooh, yes, it can go down and hit that. Will it go down and hit that? That's awfully low. That's way past. Can it go down on our 4 hour? Yes. And that looks much better on our 4 hour. Yes. If you're asking what I'm talking about, The blue lines correspond to the other yellow lines on the higher time frames. I don't teach you guys that, but they correspond to it. I'm not gonna do it. But the answer to your question is yes, that is correct. It can and will do that. Well, it can do that. Will it do that? I'm gonna have to wait till the 1-minute charts all hit their blue lines, which right now we only have NAS. You want 2 out of the 3 to hit its blue line on the 1-minute. Once we have the 1-minute blue line hit, like we do on NAS right here, we're waiting for SPX probably next, and then US 30 after that. Once we get those 2 out of the 3 or 3 out of 3, then we look to the 5-minute blue line for NAS. That's how you read that. You're welcome, Kev. What's up, D-Hoss? What's up, Patrick? Up huge on a Sunday. Nice. Which one you playing, Patrick? The blue lines, the 1 minutes? There goes another SPX shop. Yeah. There goes another SPX shop. We're in the money. Yay. And for some unknown reason, we hope this is not. Go ahead and do this here. I would lock in profit on any trade and leave it open, leave your trade open. We're watching these go down to the blue line right here on the 1-minute and on US 30, and also it's going to be going down there on SPX. So you're in the money on your US 30 for the second time since I called it. You're in the money on SPX. All beginners should be out of that trade. And you're in the money on your NAS again. NAS already hit its blue line. And there you go. There's your money. Watch it fall before your very eyes. You just be like, how the hell? And that's how the hell we do it. And I'm still in 2 long-term buy stops on US 30. I can explain that. Made $700 on Gold Friday and left the runner up 18 so far. Nice. Let's take a look at the golds that Kim is running with. You open up 2 or 3 or 4 trades and let one run. It's got to be enough time for the 30 or something. Maybe 1 hour. 4 hours. 4 hours. Yep. And there you go. Excellent job, Kim. Congratulations. I can't even play that song. They yell at me. Let's see what SPX got. Look at that. Any number of times you should have been in the trade. You'd be up $2 bucks. Bri did some trading this morning too, or this afternoon too. Made some money. All right. I think we're golden. What's up, Mr. Ramos? I'd say your first name, but I want to say hooray, hooray. Good evening, sir. Gold Queen has struck him. Yes, she is the Gold Queen. Scanner was calling out. I know. The scanner is calling out. You have to thank Keith Palmer for that. It's obviously the scanner is based on the system, but that's it. The code has now been finally, I believe we're in our final version of the update. I rushed it for you guys to get it there. But now it's calling out everything perfectly. Buy, sells. There is no reset. It's doing it absolutely perfectly. So you're going to see a lot more trades rolling. I mean, just perfect. So if you like to trade, the scanner isn't for everybody. But if you like to trade, look out for those buy stop BS1s and BS3s. Those are the ones that are going to the blue lines. The normal buy stops are still in there. The buy sounds like I said buy stops. The normal buy stops are still in there. Sell stops are still in there. But the reality is these SS1s, woo, baby. Look, SS1, SS3, SS, sell stop, right? And there they all are. Let's see if this is correct because we just did it again, right? And this is just, it's just amazing what it's, I forgot how to pull it over anymore. I'm so excited. Yep, there it is. That's your normal sell stop. Let's see what it looks like on SPX. Perfection personified. You can see it clearly. Red, red, red. The bullshit indicator is green. Bullshit detector indicator is green. Boom, and there it is. Perfect. That's what it is. No, this scanner is the equivalent of having me trade for you. It's the equivalent of that. Now, we have one more scanner coming out, which is already being in development. Ho, ho, ho. We have the 2 out of the 3 scanner. That's when I trade all 3 indices as one. The 3 indices are NAS, SPX, and US 30. And when one hits a blue line, the 2 out of the 3 will then be alerted. When that thing is completed and done, everyone that's in the scanner room gets a free upgrade. Everyone else will be paying $500 a month or $5,000 for the year for that scanner. There'll be no exception. So either you're in the scanner room before that goes live, or if you want it in the future, whoever wants it in the future, you'll be paying $500 a month or $5,000 for the year. And that's low end. I'm thinking about charging $1,000 a month and $10,000 for the year for that scanner. 2 out of the 3, right? When that thing is functional, and it's already being developed / tested. Trust me on that. Yep. So the current scanner is utterly amazing. The new scanner is going to be even that much more. It's going to be just psychotically accurate. And these are psychotically accurate. But unfortunately, there's still human error with my system. So I'm trying to take out as much human error as I humanly can. But eventually, you guys have to take responsibility for your trading. But yeah, that 2 out of 3 scanner. Oh boy, there we go. New alert. ASU, so Australian 200, M5, 5-minute chart, BS, and 5 stop. Let's take a look. And guess what? None of you little people there it is. None of you little people with your little scamming and you're trying to do this and see you don't have the scanner. So here it is, the most important part of the system. You don't even have. There it is, new. When it's flashing new, you can make the trade. If it's not flashing, you don't make the trade. If it's still flashing and it's rotating, which what do you think a green up arrow means? But buy. You come over here, you click on it, bring it in, make it large. You can literally see green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Boom. There it is. Now, I would obviously pull this up as a human being. I'd pull it up on my chart, verify that is the one I want, and then, make sure that is the 1 minute, 5 minute, and all that good stuff. And that's what it is. Does cryptos just as accurately. Yep. So now you guys are trading just like I see the buy stop to the blue lines, except now you're trading 200 different symbols up to and over all 8 time frames. I can't do that. The scanner is looking at this for you. It's just incredible. I don't know what to say. The scanner is a game changer if you like to trade. And by game changer, I don't say that bullshit stuff. It is. It is what it is. What's up, Jimmy Hustle? Lots of money Sunday. No, we're not supposed to trade on Sunday, Jimmy. It's a trap day, remember? So choose scanner called Bitcoin. That's funny. It is. The scanner is a mini me, Shannon. Craziest thing on earth. That's my key to retirement. It is, Eric. Hey, boss, can you explain the SS1 and SS2? There is no SS2 today. And I've explained this multiple times, but I'll do it again for you. SS1s are when the scanner is literally, listen to this, Jay. The scanner is literally trading better than probably any of you, to be quite frank about it. The scanner is trading 1 minute, 5 minutes. So you see a SS1, 1 minute on NAS, for instance. That means the scanner is taking into consideration the location of where price is on the 5-minute chart and where price is on the 1 minute chart. That's an SS1. When it's perfect, it's SS1. When it's SS3, that means that the scanner is taking in consideration the 1 minute and 5 minute, the higher time frame chart price. But it's not exactly perfect, but it's still a trade to the blue line. So that's what you're looking at. The scanner is trading 2 time frames, always the one above it. So for instance, in what we have currently right now is a 1 minute US 30 and a 5 minute US 30. The scanner is looking at the 1 minute, 5 minute. If it's perfection, it's a sell stop. It's a sell stop 1, and that means it's a sell stop to the 1 minute blue line. It's perfect. And then if it's 5 minute, 50 minutes, if it's 1 hour, 4 hour, the scanner is actually smarter than probably 90% of of you guys trading. I don't want to be mean, but you guys don't take into consideration higher time. The scanner does. I'm telling you, the scanner has now been programmed to trade just like me. Oh, it's raining now. Wow. Okay. Okay. I hope that made sense, Jay. Patrick, have a good day back to work. Kick ass. Stay safe. Correct, Team Lane. Well, without higher, but it's still checking the higher time frame. Correct. Team Lane says no to yes. Very good explanation, Team Lane. Think about. Sorry, I asked something you've gone over. Well, I wouldn't care, Jay. I just gone over it like a dozen times, and I have videos on it if you need it. Just look up the new scanner. Sell stop 1 minute, by the way. Sell stop 3 indices, by the way. It's going to come down again. All right. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? I'm not going to stay on long tonight. I made out over 14 different calls for you on different symbols. 14 different symbols. I left you in a sell stop from a YouTube video. There's tons to go over, but I don't feel like going over it. I'm going to go over it tomorrow. So TikTok, anybody have any questions? Kimberly, Wakanda, user 2HV. Anybody have any questions? What instruments do you trade now? The symbols that we're trading. Kevin, if I wanted to know 12 hours from now, do I press D1? 12 hours from now? No, you can take 1 hour trades, usually give you about a 6 to 10 hour. 4 hour trades would be more of the 12 range. Daily trades, daily trades. I did a daily oil trade June the 18th to December 7th last year to the blue line. It took 6 months. So dailies can take a very long time to develop. 4 hours are usually in that, day or two range. The 1 hours are usually in the hours to day range. So I would hit the 1 hour or the 4 hour to know which one you want to trade. Wilson. Good evening to you, Wilson. We're trading all 200 different symbols right now. The scanner is scanning 200 different symbols, indices, Forex. Oh, look at this. Look at the scanner. I mean, this is just printing money. For anybody that actually wants to trade, new safety trade, CAD, Canadian Japan, CAD Japan. See, it's this SS3, BS1, Euro odds, just a normal bicep, Unicef. Let's go to Euro odds. Look at these three calls. Let's go look at them. Look at them. Well, I don't have to keep you so close anymore. Look, look at this power. Look at it. Look, boom, there's one. CAD Japan new. CAD Japan new. Euro odds new. Buy stop one. Let's take a look at it. Is it correct? Oh, look at it. Crank downward. Are you kidding me? Woo, we got to go check that one out. Let's go check out Euro odds. Look, boom, boom. Calling out buys, calling out the GBP odds, GBP AUD. Buy stop one. Let's take a look at that. Boom. Boy, there's some news out there for that shit. Look at it. Sell stop, GBP's 15-minute. 1 minute sell stop, GBP JPY. New Zealand CAD, sell stop. Look at them all. New Zealand, Japan, sell stop, USD. Oh my, you guys, buy the system, unlearn everything you think you know about trading, relearn the system the right way, teach it, and then buy the scanner and print money. Look at this shit. Look at it. This is on a fucking Sunday night. Oh, don't, there's lies out there. Look at them all. Look at them all I can't even see them all. Look what the scanner just called out for you guys. One, two, three. Oh my God. There must have been 10 different call outs right there live before your very eyes. Wow. The power of the scanner in the palm of your hand. That is incredible. That is something to behold. That is crazy. Damn, that is some power. Damn, is that some power. Sell stop, 1 minute, US 30, and don't forget for 1 second. It's going to turn into a 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop, so don't forget that, okay? All right, I'm done on TikTok. See you guys. Have a great evening. God bless. YouTube, anything before I go? YouTubers, anything before I go? YouTube, anything before I go, the scanner's part of the price. Hell no. Scanner is a whole $50 a month more for 2 rooms or 200 for all, but you only need 2 rooms. I wouldn't do anything but 2 rooms. There's another one, 500. Oh, by the way, I never showed him. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with Scanner. All right, this is where you go to buy the system. Oh shit, I forgot you guys are on YouTube. Hold on. This is where you go. You head over to the safety trade dial. That's not to the safetytrade.com to buy the system. The scanner is an additional price. You pay your $575 for the year for the system, safetytrade.com, 575. Then if you want the scanner, I would only get the 2-room scanner for $50 a month. I don't even want to hear it. $50 a month. People piss away $50 a month just by breathing. I'm not going to hear that $50 a month is a lot. Now, when I'm charging $500 for the 2 out of 3, if you're not in the system already and in the scanner room, you'll be paying that, or $1,000 a month. Yep, that's fair. $50 a month, I'm giving it to you out of the goodness of my heart. That's what $50 a month is. So no, it's not included. Not even ever going to be included. Not even close to be included. Thanks, Bradley says. Okay, you're welcome, Bradley. You're welcome, Dale. All right, guys, out of here. Have a good night. God bless you. I'll see you sometime in the morning. See ya. Nice. Awesome. One of those went down. Perfect.